Alright, today we got a unboxing. It looks like it's from Sandman Mystery Comics. Suppose I could cut it open first. Yeah. Jim has awesome, wonderful claim sales, and I'm addicted to them. So I keep buying shit that I probably shouldn't. Because I don't have no more space at the moment, and I got enough other stuff I gotta do. This thing first. It's just a couple boards for protection. I'm anal, so I gotta pull the tape off the cardboard. That's garbage cardboard, anyways. Something to use for packing. For some reason, this tape would just bug me if I left it on there. Alright. Let's see, I'm gonna need a scissors again. I don't do this. Don't be stubborn. Why can't I open a damn bag to save my... There you go. Finally. More tape. Jim's been having the dollar mystery pack sales. So I've been buying some of those. So some of these probably not going in my collection. Some are. This is issue 25 of Justice League of America. Not big on Justice League. Would rather check out JSA, but I love this unstoppable Doom Patrol with her little pet on her shoulder. Here's Metal Man. Figured I had to pick up those specialty covers. I am making a mess big time over here. Nice Jane mystery cover. I guess if you scratch this away, you'll see which character Jane is today. I'm not going to scratch it. I get a second one, maybe. Hulk versus Fin Fang Foom. I can't pass up a good Fin Fang Foom story, and seeing the Hulk battling him, that will be fun. Yeah, Monsters on the Prowl. This looks like a lot of fun. We also got Fantastic Four with Fin Fang Foom on it. Yeah. Godzilla Rivals, King Ghidorah versus Space Godzilla. I love Space Godzilla and King Ghidorah. I mean, it's one of the toys I always had. I'd pick up the King Ghidorah toys. Godzilla Rivals, Mother Mothra, or Mothra and Hedorah, but it's like Mothra cover. Another one I'm a sucker for. I love Mothra. This is the Many Ghosts of Dr. Graves. This is the first issue of this I believe I got my hands on. Usually people grab that right up, so it's hard to get your hands on those. This was awesome because I got the whole set. 8-team, number 1, number 2, and number 3. Jim said that's the complete run. I thought they went further than that. I had issue 1 when I was a kid back in the day, but yeah, these I believe are part of my $10 grabs. Love that Spider-Man cover. Had to have that. It's kind of got like a vampiric family. There's a bunch of different Spider-Man heads on the wall. And Countdown to Final Crisis, Innocence Eclipsed. This one I will probably go away, go away now. The Mighty Avengers number 31. Yeah, that one will probably go too. We got Superman back to full power. Issue 50, Crisis of Crimson Kryptonite. Like, Clark proposes to Lois in this one. So I guess I will have to keep that one. Then we got Marvel next. Live Wires. Don't know who these people are, but I want to know about them. I want to see if I can get into these characters. They give me that Doom Patrol style feel. Issue 1 of 6, I think. And then one more package. Come off my finger. Booger on my finger, get it off. Alright. I love painter's tape. It comes off so nicely. Usually keep all the paint. Not, not nude. Stick it places right now. This is a new X-Men Riot at Xavier's Part 3. That one will be going in the for sale pile since I don't have Part 1 or 2 of that. That's number 137, it looks like, of the new X-Men. Looks like first appearance of Bloodwind, JLA1 homage cover. That one's cool. That one I will keep. Jurassic League, got it. So that'll go in the sell pile. Actually, fun run. I'm not big on dinosaurs, but I actually got into that one. This one I also have, Darker Image. Probably have like 3 copies of that already. I will let that one go. Omega Flight, the initiative number 2 of 5. Wouldn't mind reading this. I want to get into some more of the Canadian characters, especially since Canada, Canada is going to become the 51st state of the United States. So, gotta get used to Canadian superheroes. This is Strange issue 1. I feel like I have a cover with her kind of doing something on the cover, but I don't remember the skull in the background. So I think this is a different one than I have. I'll have to double check. If I do, it'll go for sale. But I did enjoy that Strange character. He was a lot of fun. Moon Knight number 25 with Ghost Rider. Yeah, I might read it. We'll see. So yeah, Cable, hunted by the Houndmaster. number 71, that will be going for sale. We got Aurora, Before the Storm, number 3 of 4. It's not number 1, that'll be going for sale. Yeah. First Spidey 2099. I have probably 3 to 5 issues. Yeah. DC Kids Mega Sampler. I like kitty books. They're fun to read, simple reads, and then I can. Oh, it's then a free. It's also a free comic book day one, but then I can stick them in little free libraries or give them out to whoever I see that might need to learn about comics. I got the Origins of Marvel Comics. I'll check this out, but it'll definitely be going for sale after I'm done checking it out. Kale number 14. It's like, Behold the Son of the Goblin Queen. So is that newer Goblin Queen that we seen now? Come out and had her own run. And Dan Slott, She-Hulk, issue 1. I have issue 1, but I love this cover. I will be keeping that one. Probably getting rid of the one I have. This cover I also really enjoyed, and I'm glad it's the number 1, but Sinister War. Number 1, Spidey graphic face. Alpha Flight number 23. Secrets of the Sasquatch with Sasquatch Wendigo battle. Double check. I may have it. Yeah, Aquaman the Becoming. Not an Aquaman fan. Thought this cover was kind of cool, but it is 2 of 6, so it'll probably just go for sale. We got Freaks number 4. This I do want to get the whole collection and read. I just don't know how many issues I have. I will have to go through those and find out. These Tangent Comics, Green Lantern, I got all these different ones. That's funny. There's a note here that Psychotronic Squirt Gun Aaron sent to Jim. That's on the backer board for this comic. So that's funny. And the last one, the good old Guy Gardner cover of Justice League America number 33. Another one that will probably go for sale. But yeah, that's a nice little box of goodies. Looking forward to his next claim sale. So check out Sandman Mystery Comics. I will have the information in the show notes. Other than that, rate, review, subscribe, tell a friend, give us those likes. Keep following Under the Call of MS. Check out Crimson Color Comic Club for our group podcast. We'll keep bringing these as long as you keep checking them out. Or if you don't even check them out, I'm going to still keep putting them. All right. Thanks. Bye.